What's up, guys? We're going to go through how to flip your icon light with the big bar, how it comes from the factory. Try and get that facing the inside. So now whenever you're putting it on something, you can have it facing what you're working on. Everything still works. It's really simple. You're just flipping it around. I love that these have memory. So if you leave it on for a second, instead of scrolling through all the light modes, you press it once, it turns off. Press it again, it goes right back to the setting that you wanted it on. It's really cool. Like some of the Matcos and expensive lights don't even have that like that. But I haven't done it on this blue one yet, so I was gonna go through it and show you. Let's see if I get it set up right here. So you want to get a little Allen head. You take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 screws. These two hold it on, while the light bar in place. These two hold the light and the battery into the housing. This one just holds the case together, that one holds the hinge. So get these off. There'll be two different types of screws, so fine machine screws, fine machine thread screws, here, here, and then a long one here, and then there'll be coarse threads for plastic in this case, and the ones that keep the aluminum body on. Here's the coarse thread, and then these two will be coarse thread as well. Actually, I'm going to take these off first. And this one. Alright, so this will come out. Got the battery, you got your handle with the magnet on it. This comes apart, it's the outer case, and then you have this hinge that splits. This is what holds the light bar in place. And now you would think you could just flip it like this, and that would be it, which is basically what we're doing, but there's something stopping you. They've got these little locating pins right here. You can see that, dowel pins, and they're spaced out differently on each side. You can see the spacing there and the spacing there. So if you just flip it straight over, it won't quite work. So what I did was take those pins off. They don't do much. You still have the screw supporting it there. So get like a little Dremel or something, and just take those pins down. Now there's no pin. Keep on that one, and then the same thing on this one. Got no pin there. Make sure that's flat. That should be good. So now you can just do exactly what I was saying and just flip it over. So this side has the pass-through for the wiring. You want big light bar towards the battery, which is the opposite of factory. Make sure whenever you're screwing the screws back in that you're going into the second hole that's threaded and not the first hole that's for the dowel pins. I'm going to put this one back on. This here, and now this one back on. Put the hinge screw and the case screw back in first, just to hold everything together. So that's holding together. Grab one of the coarse threads, put it in the back here. That's good. And you can see how this slides in and out. Don't put your screws in that first hole. Push it in to the second hole. And get your 2 machine screws. And lock that in place. If I can get this tiny little, there we go. Going up. Yep. I think I did exactly what I told y'all not to do. I think I went in the second for the first hole. You can see how it's bringing the case apart. Let's make sure. No, maybe not. Maybe it just wasn't threading into the. Let's try one more time. Not wanting to thread. I don't know if it's just not catching. There we go, yeah. Just wasn't catching the threads. Alright, so that's all flush now. Looks good. Bending, everything's flush. And now you just put it back in the housing. The battery back in. Line up these holes with these outer holes, obviously. Put some pressure on it to get everything to line up. And put in your 2 locating pins, screws. I'm going to have to press down, hold on. That up. Start that up, and now you're good to go. Got the big light bar facing in, little one on the outside. The only thing that this really loses in function is there's a tiny screw here and there's a tiny magnet here. So whenever you close it, it would kind of magnetically close right there. But the magnet, it was so weak that really it didn't do much anyway. So I like this much better. And now both of my lights are facing inward. If you guys like this, leave me a like, subscribe, comment anything I might have missed down below, and I'll see y'all next time.